So for making the perfect Moong Dal Payasam, all you need is 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of yellow Moong Dal, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1/4 cup of nuts as per your choice, 1 tablespoon of dry fruits, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. We shall also be adding Sabudana around 1/2 cup, which is around 5 to 6 tablespoons approx, which will be soaked and cleaned and drained. And 2 big chunks of jaggery, that is around 200 grams approx. In a blender, add 2 cups of fresh grated coconut, 1 cup of water, and blend them together into a fine paste. I completely avoid purchasing or buying from the supermarket, coconut milk especially, which has loads and loads of preservatives in it. So I make it at home. It can take less than 8 minutes, hardly 5 to 7 minutes, or maximum 10 minutes to strain, and the whole process will take less than 10 minutes. Post you blend the mixture with the help of a strainer, extract thoroughly and get the milk, the fresh coconut milk out of it. 10 minutes all you need, and you save a lot of dirhams. Also you get a fresh batch of coconut milk which would last longer and stay fresh and even taste better. So if you do not have a stock of jaggery, you can substitute with Milkmaid or 1 cup of sugar. Thanks for watching my channel Dimple's an Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook page, Flora and Aroma. Thank you so much.